Did you know that you can use the user testing platform to actually see your customer's world? My name is Sean Treiser. I'm a product strategist at User Testing, and I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can do just that. First, you can ask contributors to open their mobile cameras and share with you their home environment and the products and services that they use in it. That way, you can learn how they're currently solving for their needs in their own context. Next, you can recruit contributors who are willing and able to visit a brick and mortar store near them and open their mobile camera as they do. That way, you can ride along with them and see and hear all of their delights and their pains as they move through that experience. Finally, you can recruit contributors who have just purchased or are about to purchase a product. Then, once they have that product in hand, you can ask them to open their mobile camera and share with you their first impressions as they unbox that product and set it up. There are test templates for all of these mobile camera use cases and more in the user testing platform.